Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send money on Cash App. So here are 5 simplified steps to do that. Step number 1 is to open Cash App and then log in with your details. Step number 2 is tap on the dollar icon or the cash tab and enter the amount that you want to send. And then after doing that, tap on pay and enter the recipient's cash tag, or you can be also using the email or phone number. Now this is optional, but you can also add a note for the payment, like for example, family, dinner, or etc. And then lastly is to tap on pay again. Now this is to confirm and to finally send the money. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!